Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Volvo XC90 R-Design. So this is our 60 plate Volvo XC90 R-Design. It's covered just over 123,000 miles from new. It's got a whopping 14 service stamps with 4 previous owners, 2 keys, and whilst in our care, we've replaced the front disc and pads, changed the cambelt and water pump, giving it fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car is in very, very good condition for the age and mileage. Couple little marks here and there, but really not bad. Alloys are all in really good condition along with the tyres. Clearly been looked after. Inside, you've got the heated leather seats in the front, AM FM radio, cruise control, Bluetooth, you've got pop-up sat-nav just there too. Power fold mirrors, it's all, again, really, really nice condition for the age and mileage. It's the D5 engine, so 2.4 5-cylinder diesel with the automatic gearbox. Loads of legroom in the back. Again, really good condition. Privacy glass in the rear too. And you've also got a whacking great boot to match as well, with another 2 seats to pop up in the back just here. Lovely, lovely motor, clearly been looked after, drives really, really nice, it's ever so comfortable to drive. Really nice engine too. These D5 engines, everybody wants in the Volvos because they're really, really good motors. Definitely stands out from the crowd. Very, very nice motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.